Meaning of histologist.
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 Histologist. A histologist is a medical professional who specializes in the study of tissues and their structures at a microscopic level. They use specialized equipment to prepare tissue samples for examination under a microscope and analyze the cellular structures, chemical interactions, and other characteristics of these tissues to diagnose diseases and abnormalities. Histologists play a crucial role in the medical field by aiding in the diagnosis and treatment of various diseases, including cancer, infections, and autoimmune disorders. With their expertise in tissue analysis and interpretation, they provide valuable insights into the nature and severity of medical conditions that help clinicians make more informed decisions about patient care.